Welcome to today's live stream. I'm him. Today is Thursday, January 23rd, and I'm working, so just hop right into it. Well, I guess before I hop into it, I want to make sure I don't have any things that don't need to be shown. Oh, wait, there's one more thing I gotta do. Oh, gosh. One of my... something like the in-app message that I was using doesn't work. So I had to see if I can copy. Oh man, I can't just. Okay. I'm gonna have to just like copy it one for one, I guess. Seriously? Did I just discover a bug? I did. Okay. Dang it. I gotta note it down before I forget. Otherwise I will forget. So I guess I should duplicate this tab and we'll go to issues, and I guess we'll do a new issue. And what is this? Whole state. Yeah, that behavior is weird. All right, anyway, let's get that into here. It's not done. Okay, so back to my whatever I was doing. I really wish there were, wait, switch that there. No, okay, never mind. Yeah, I wish there was a better way than what I'm doing here. This is very error prone. Shit. I wonder if this is the issue right here that I was running into with this IM. So do that. What the hell? What was that? Oops. What? Upload it first. Okay, so this needs to be push permission prompt, and I think this is actually going to be the thing that fixes my issue. I'm gonna remove it for now because I want to see if that issue still happens. I should be able to rename this block, shouldn't I? Did I just delete the wrong image block? Oh my gosh, I did. I'm not good with like dumb names. These are not useful. It's just like I'm not really good with this type of stuff. I need a label. So I have text1, text2, image, and now there's no image one. So if I delete this and I add a new image, okay, I get image one. All right. If you can't tell, I don't use like I don't use UIs to do anything. This is confusing. I created and I can't just drag it. I had to come way over here and then click, and this is very slow. All right, so we'll throw that image in there and this image there. Button will be alive. Oh, that's another thing, is that, you know, I'm gonna create another one from that temp. Oh, I can't. Yeah, I have issues with all of this. Like next is not the correct thing for this to say. I think I still have the app on my phone. Hopefully the IAM shows up. Update, watch, dismiss. Don't do that. Let's go to my phone. Oh, my tea's ready. I need to go get my tea. Okay, there we go. Ah, shit. Okay, it's not. Dang it. All right, so that was my only hope. So I'm gonna have to create a new app and yeah, it's fine. It's fine. So we're gonna make that say allow. Yeah, I can still create the issue now. Wait, can I undo all of this? No, I can't. Just that part. Okay. So this set next. I think one of the words was allow. If I'm not mistaken. I saw allow. Oh no, never mind. That's mine. Okay. I'm tripping. All right, we're gonna do system font. I need to change the background color. I think I need to change some styling, something. Why can't I collapse this? I should be able to collapse this. And why is it called close button 1 when apparently I can't have more than one? Yeah, this has completely different behavior from the rest. Should look different. All right, anyway, these look the same now. They won't behave the same yet because I didn't add the click thingamajig. And this is every time, and that's because I needed to show up every time for my purposes of taking screenshots and all that kind of stuff. So this is decent. You have unsaved changes. Wait, what? What did I click last time? Wait, I am confused. What the hell? What was that? Let me go back. Let me go look at myself. Confused. So I clicked update and then I clicked update. Yeah, what the hell? Whoa. That doesn't make sense. What time is this in this stream? It doesn't say, of course. Of course not. Gosh, what time is this? Is 29 minutes in. All right, so let me write that somewhere. About 28 to 29 minutes in. All right, I'm gonna go grab some tea. I'll be back. Okay, so I should now see this new push permission prompt. I want to do it over here in iOS land. And I think I can do this on a simulator. So I'm going to do that instead of doing it on my physical device. So let's go and remind ourselves. Wait, did I not do this yet? Oh, I didn't. Oh my gosh. Let me do that first. If only I would have taken a screenshot. Oh, well, I mean, I think I remember what I was going to do. I'm going to come back to this later to finish. Put it up here. Is the warrant? Oh wait, no, this is GitHub. I forgot we have these. To do create new push prompt from template for screenshots. Okay. Dang it. Let me just stop. Forgot to change my app to not have that line of code that I added to get around my push prompt not working, because I didn't feel like figuring out what was wrong with it, but now I know what's wrong with it. I no longer want to do this right here. Oh man, it's supposed to rain. It's going to be 22 Tuesday. That's nice. We can go riding. It's like 72, 74-ish. Oh, okay. Look at that. I'm like, well, I don't see my thing, but there we go. Okay. Let's open the console. Let's go back to all of my issues. Simple push, include toggle here. Error requiring assertion. So this is what I'm going to look for here. Something like this is RBS, service error domain. And this com Apple developer thing. I think I can look for that, hopefully. Knowing Apple, I won't. Let's click allow. Okay, dismiss. Let's see if, look at that. It does. For the first time in my life, I've been able to just have it work. That's interesting. 2501 23 10 23. Yeah, this is it. This is it. Let me see. I created another issue for this. Man, I can't spell continue for shit. that goes away. This is actually the result of my investigation. I can remove that. We're done. If an error, I guess. Sure, I'll be correct. Away when the, sure, we can do that. Use articles, I don't mind that. So I've confirmed that I get the same error when I don't have that click action. Let's see if when I add a click action, does it go away? Hopefully, maybe. First, why are we using an alert? That's my first question. Here's what I mean. Like, there should never be the case. Oh wait, does it freeze my browser? It does. Under view. And then it goes away. Will it let me update now? Okay, so this is a bug. It does it. Okay, all right. So, man, all right. Typical push sign is irrelevant. Yeah. All right, we'll get a new issue. This is weird because it works the second time. So I'm just going to put this as a note for reproduction steps, I guess. Guess I don't need this anymore. So update message. Wait, what? Oh shit. Okay, now I'm gonna have to try to get this to break again. This better not work. I'm gonna change this to 9. Okay. Update, update, alert. Oh, cancel. Okay, I'll stop there. And I think I want to resize GIFox on here. Or is it GIF ski? Or is it, gosh, what's the thing? I have something that I use for editing, unless you can edit in here now. Oh, you can. Oh, look at that. You can edit now. Cool. Let's see if the editor is any good. I want to resize. I'm not saying anything for resizing. That seems like such a basic thing. All right, well, guess I will just move on. It's 6.8 megabyte. No, I can't just move on. Wait a minute. What is this thing? Is it GIFski? Is this it? Nah, this isn't it. It's GIF Brewery. GIF Brewery. I think that's the tool that I go to the App Store. This is software I used to have on my computer. Why does it not exist anymore? GFCat. Okay. Okay, so it won't let me do that. And I can't reduce the size of this. The tool that I used to use allowed me to resize these things. Oh, look at that scale. If only I could read just a little bit better. So we're going to scale that 50%, which should reduce the size. Yeah, now we're at 2 megabytes. That's better. Oh, in the okay, it doesn't show up. All right, well, let me put another sticky. Put this right here for now. What time is it? This is 46 or so minutes, so 45, 47 minutes. I'm gonna make another change right quick just to take a screenshot. Apparently, these don't show up on screenshot. I don't, that's weird. So this is what issue number is this? I don't have one yet. Let's go ahead and create it so I can get an issue number. This is issue 56. Okay, so then where here we are. So perfect. So at least it's here. Edit this. Okay, so that's I can move on now. We're gonna stop the thing, and that doesn't do anything, of course. Why would it? Let's restart the thing, and I want to see if I get that. If I get this, whatever this thing is, as soon as the IM appears, that could be what's happening. Okay, look at that. I don't get it again so far. Okay, what happens if I click? I don't get it anymore. So that fixes my issue. Wait, what? How did my tab stop get there? There we go. An alert saying to push. It doesn't include click action. All right, so then I am finally at a point. Oh shit, what? Never mind. Oops, what did I just do? Yeah, I don't know. Someone else can deal with that. I am unblocked though, so I can move on. All right, so I get to start building my dock now. I have a thingamajig here, an issue here, update Flutter setup guide, and I've already started certain things. Let me open up the docs now. Yeah, all my preparatory work is done. So building the dock is easy at this point. Huh? How do I search? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay, I was about to say, holy crap. I remember doing this. All right, I found it though. So we get iOS prerequisites. There are no Android prerequisites. So that can go. I've already updated it here, but I'm not gonna just copy and paste. I'm gonna do a little more, pay a little more attention. CocoaPod stuff. I think that's gonna go up here inside of, or no, after this reusable content. Yeah. I think I have, thought I had something in here. Yeah, I do have that. Open the, add the new essay. So I'm probably gonna have to detach this and modify it slightly, because in order to do this, I had to include this instruction here, and then there's also the build phase stuff. Oh, excuse me. Is this actual markdown? No, it's not. Okay, of course not. Fine, I'll do it this way anyways. Bold it all. All right, that's okay. So first step is really going to be open this. And that's, I'll go ahead and detach it now. Instead of saying what I will do, I'll just do it. So wherever that to do it. Oh, my to do. Did I just delete the to do? Or is this just weird behavior? It's probably just weird behavior. I'm gonna do the pod install in the setup. So I'll just say pod install there. And I'll add a 7-step. I'm trying to see if there's a keyboard shortcut that will get me to whatever this is. I don't even know what this is called. I don't know the names of any of these things. Guess there isn't one. Yeah, it'll just be click whatever runner, I guess. What is this window called? This thing right here. The navigator, okay. What is this called? I know it's a runner, but like, is this the target? It is a target, right? Target. It's more than just that. It's the project. Okay. Gonna want to resize this for my screenshots. I don't think I do it that way. I have to go back and look at what the aspect ratio is. This screenshot maybe should go in my issue about whatever I was complaining about. I forgot. Yes, don't even have to do it. At some point, past Will was smart. He did something useful in life. And now Will is happy. All right, now I can delete that. Too. Test one signal, iOS Flutter setup images. Do I have any screen? Yes, look at that. So this is okay. I think I know what that is. I take consistency very seriously. I call it out in other people, so of course I had to make sure I'm on point. So click that, and then I want them to go to build phases and runner build phases. Okay. Let's make sure there's nothing silly going on. Like, why is it waiting to reconnect to my iPad? I don't understand. Settings, no, don't care. Runner, build. How come that's not? Okay, there we go. Perfect. All right. This goes here. Maybe I should actually name this. So this is prereq 7. Build phase. Why is this one even here? I don't think I need this. Yeah, I'm reusing. Oh wait, oh fuck. Okay, I think I remember why it was like I'm gonna do this separate. It's because if you look closely here, this says DevRel. You know what? I don't care. I'm going to assume that other people don't care. If they do care, they can let me know. This is a PNS delegate number 5. I need to have these screenshots of the different errors as well as what led to them. I have notes and all that kind of stuff. And the reason why I'm doing that is that I'm not going to show these, but I am looking at a bunch of support requests that have come in over the past years. And I'm looking to see what types of issues people are running into. So that's why I'm like spending a lot of time on these errors and stuff and trying to make sure I can reproduce them and I have a guaranteed fix. So I can, if people run into certain things, people know why. And not just, when I say people, I mean on our end. So it should be more than just me who knows exactly why certain things are happening. I'll just call it error, and then we'll call it common. Dashboard. Setup. Oh, incorrect setup, yeah. Why do I need this one? Did I not capture that here? I'll take the later one. Okay, so this is build phase before build phase. Oh, this. I'm sorry. This is prereq 7 build phase correct. I don't want to say incorrect because technically, well, it's not technically. When you add a new runner project or whatever to the thing, it just adds it in that way. Wait, why do I need this? I don't. All right, I'm noticing that I'm missing some other things, but I may have taken screenshots of them. I didn't. Of course, why would I do that? Okay, so there is the one issue where if you don't turn this folder or this thing, whatever it is, right now as a group, if you don't turn this, sorry, it starts off as a folder. I don't know. I know the difference, but I just don't understand why Apple is this way. It can't be a folder. It must be a group. And I think that's the control click. Yeah, so we'll need to do that too. Just add a note. Maybe I do that. Folder. Converting the folder. Yeah, here we are. Converting to the group folder. Go ahead. It's going to actually render that, isn't it? Okay, so for whatever reason, this, oh my gosh, this is really, I don't like this. It's their, whoever these people are, they put this weird markdown template and it's clashing with mine. It's not, I don't have a template. It's just clashing with the fact that I'm writing in markdown because that's what you write on GitHub. So I either need to escape crap or I can delete a lot of this, or I can pull the part out that's, I know is mine, which is this part right here. Yeah, why isn't this working? I remember doing that. I think I have a clip of that. 113, 1223. Yeah, I do have that. And it's small too. Yeah, I don't know why that went away. Let's get it back. Oh, I think I remember. I initially had this as a gist, and then I copied stuff over. That has nothing to do with this. This is broken because of not me. This isn't my fault. I'm going to remove this markdown template crap. All right, that fixes it. This team needs to do a better job of making sure that their output plays nicely. I know why they did it. It's because a lot of people, I was an open source project maintainer for GitHub Desktop. So I'm very familiar with, people don't call like the only way that you maintain quality is you set a bar and you make sure that if anyone is underneath that bar, it just gets kicked out. And so that's kind of what they're doing here, where they probably realize that people don't give great bug reports or they don't give enough information. It's just like, oh, it didn't work. It's like, all right, well, what doesn't work? And so I understand why they're doing it, but I shouldn't have to do all of what I just did to get this to work. Okay, so that's in here too. Let me see, where would I do that? So this is going to be after add notification service extension. Oh, I guess before doing the build order. Yeah, sure, we could do it. And then we can just say convert it to a group. I think that's what it is, right? Is that what it's called? Convert. Yeah, it'll be convert to a group. Let me convert it to a folder so I can confirm. Convert to group, yeah. I need to go and update that in my other guide. This will be the only thing that'll be one signal. All right, so select the runner project. I'll just keep it like this for now. Convert NSE to, I've already got what it's called. Was it group or app group? Have a screenshot somewhere. Yeah, it's just group. It's a proper noun, I guess. That's what it's named in Xcode. I don't even think I'm gonna say all that. Use the screenshot. That's what I'm gonna really say. But of course I can show you how you get to the thing. How does Apple know? How do they say go about that? It's code. I want to use whatever language they use for their stuff. Xcode, control, click. Apple developer. I may have to actually spell control. Oh, they do control drag, CTRL drag. Is that what they say? See, I know what context menu means. I would normally say context click, but I'm very positive that most people don't know what that is. And I can't just say right click because I had to assume that, and it's not even an assumption. Most people who own Macs own MacBook Pros, which means that they're using a trackpad. There is no right click there. So the thing that you're supposed to say, that people are supposed to know about their OS, is that it's called a context click. There is a way that you can get around it. You can press control click. That's one. If you have a mouse like what I have here, you can right click. If you configure your mouse, your trackpad, I mean, to behave the way that I've configured mine, you can double click with 2 fingers, and then that'll give you a context click or a right click. You can also do a control click. So these are all the same way to get into a context menu. That's why it's called the context click. You may be like, oh, why are you going? Because I have to assume that people don't know what I'm talking about. So the best way you do that is you figure out what others are doing, which is accept it, and you just do that. So I'm looking for, do they say control click or do they say context click? And if they say context, I'll just be like, hey, that's what Apple says. You should know. No. It'd be awesome if it, yeah, right here. They just say the context menu. These are updates, by the way, so it's not what I'm after. I think I saw something. Click, control click. Okay, so there it is. They say control click, not CTRL, which is what I was going to do. Control click. There we go. I'm done. Just choose technically. Yeah, convert to group. Okay, so I say open the whatever the thing is, do these things. Add main target to app group. Okay, so this is going to be add runner target. Yeah, runner spelled with the capital. Add background modes capability to runner target. Ah, see, all right, man, I'm gonna have to take new screenshots because these are all different. Okay, all right, it's fine, it's fine. I need to take screenshots for the other thing too, for iOS. So I'll get around to that. I'll just make sure that this is representative of what I want in the future. And I'm not gonna crop my images again. I don't like it. People were like, oh, like it. I'm like, no, I think what I have is better than what we've had by an order of magnitude or two. It's like I will not be challenged on certain things anymore. I think this makes my document fundamentally but worse. No, we have inconsistency. I don't like inconsistency. right. For what it's worth, these are kind of like, this is how I do stuff, right? I just get the main point, the idea that I want to get across as something like this. You know, I'll get my screenshot, I'll do whatever other crap I need to do, and then I'll come back and I'll wordsmith. That's what I call it. I'll come in and make this flow, make sure that there's no ambiguity, and if there is, I'll point it out. Okay, I think that's all I needed to do for the updates to the prerequisite steps. And then next is like, what does this pod install stuff involve? So how do I do this in my iOS? So we add the package dependencies first. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. Yeah. So hopefully they won't build. So yeah, we'll come here. We'll say and pod install is going to be in there. So part of that is going to be flutter pub get. That's going to do some things. So pod install. Oh, before we do that, we'll need to update pub spec. We'll do a flutter pub get. And then we'll need to update the pod thing, update pod file. And I'll just say it doesn't exist until after pub get. Do the pod install. All right, cool. So that'll all be part of that. And then we'll do initialize SDK, initialize the SDK. And this is just update main.dart. Okay, then we'll test the setup. And this should be the same as what I have here. Fine, I'll scroll. This right here. Man, I need to resize this and put a logo. I don't like this. All of these will get transferred over. I can transfer it over as is for the most part. Even if I ignore the screenshots aren't as relevant. The only thing that's relevant are these right here. So I won't have Swift examples. These will be Dart examples. Same thing here. Yeah, right here, this is... Okay, so I'll have to convert this into what you do in Dart. And then all the events will be the same as well. So as a result of that, I'm going to duplicate that. Yes, and I'm just going to straight up copy it, kind of, but not really. Yeah, I'm gonna copy it. So we'll call this reusable content. And this is going to be advanced or SDK setup advanced section. Fine, whatever, I'll create it. I can edit it, hopefully. Just, no. Go away. Come, what the? Okay, fine. Fine. Sure, I'll take it. Yeah, they have something wrong with their with this. It's not good. Seriously? Something's weirdly wrong. Also, I'm probably not going to use this whatever block quote had to literally, okay, so when I add the new line, it doesn't actually do it. So I wonder if I add 2 new lines, will it do it? Or do I have to come in and literally add in a line break, HTML, yeah, I do. So this is break, this is not, you know what? I don't even know why I expect this to work. I should just know that whatever things should be, it won't be using this. And now it corrects my shit. Don't ever correct me. And it keeps fucking correct. What the hell? Why the hell is this correcting me? I don't want, like, what the fuck? Who the hell is correct? Why am I being corrected? Okay, it went away now. I don't understand why. What the fuck? Oh, I hate this. Does that do anything? It looks no different here. Maybe it's, I don't know, maybe it's got split across lines. Their markdown editor is trash. All right, so I have my structure in place as well as what needs to get done. These requirements, I'm not liking this. Yeah, I don't like how this is done. I'm gonna change it. I don't know if technically I'm not supposed to use that as a header. I'm gonna do a H4. So these are gonna be like my header type things. This will go away. It'll be ILS. I'm over here doing command enter like that does something on this. I'm not gonna use a header. I think headers, it adds too much space and I don't want to deal with CSS at all. So I'm going to bold, which technically, yeah, you're not supposed to do, but no. It compiles, it works. So that tells me that I can do it. That looks a little bit better, okay. I don't like this. I will figure out a way to improve that. We have our ILS prerequisites. These are not done, but I have all of the steps are done in that part, but I got to add some supporting things in Wordsmith. Adding the package dependency. Yeah, this is gonna be a little bit more in depth, but this is the gist. Just do those things. And initialize the SDK. This is going to be a code sample, I think. Is that what I do over here? I do. Yeah, look at that. So let me just go ahead and put that in here for now. Okay. I don't see Dart because it's a fake language. Is it Dartlang that I should put in here? No. Was this ever merged? Was there a PR attached to this? No. Transfer this issue from here. Looks like it didn't go anywhere. Okay. Fine. It's not going to be highlighted, but you know what? Maybe you shouldn't use Dart. Here, and I only want to take this main part. So that's the sample for now, right? I also need to do, is it recommended? I'm missing, yeah, I think so. Here, this part. I basically want this to be reusable content, but only like certain things will change. Only the language, actually. That's the only thing that's going to change here. I don't know why when I did that, in my edit, it scrolled me to the top. This is an issue that I have all the time with README. I will type something or press enter, and then the scroll it just dumps me somewhere, and I don't see my current. It's very annoying. I don't have this issue with any of the tools that I've used that were built in the 60s, the 70s, the 80s, and the 90s. But for whatever reason, we keep reinventing the wheel, but the wheel is becoming more and more square. I'm not going to do reusable content like I wanted initially. Actually, no, I am. I'm going to make this reusable. The reason for that is so that in the future, when I want to add this to my other stuff, I can just do that and then detach it. It's me being lazy. SDK setup. Recommended setup. Oh wow, man, I'm missing the R. And save that. I'm going to, oh, whoa, what is that? Okay. See if I've jacked up my stuff. Okay, I didn't. All right, cool. All right, and I'm gonna add that over here now. SDK setup, right? Why isn't that here? I wouldn't expect anything less. SDK setup, recommended. All right, and then I can detach like so. This is going to be Dart. That goes away. Oops, I don't want to do that. This is how companies or like products are built out of companies are built out of products. Someone like me is doing something and they probably get pissed off to the point where they're like, you know what? I will go and waste all of my time to go and build this right. I thought about it, but then I'm just like, this isn't really my problem. My space, I'm an actual engineer. This isn't really my space writing docs. I'm just doing it because I happen to be good at it. Okay, so those need to be added. Those are some other things that need to be done, but my structure is coming in place. These screenshots, I can use the same screenshots. They don't need to change. Let me add a little to do in here for the testing. Actually, no, the testing is almost the same too. Let me see, where's that? Where's the testing stuff at? Right here. All of this is mostly the same. I don't think there's anything special. And yeah, there is something slightly special. So I'll probably reuse this and then change the 2 or 3 lines that need to change. And also it'll probably be, actually, no. It's only 2 lines that need to change. I'll point them out. I just scroll through them. These 2 here. Oh, and this right here. So both of these are the only things that need to change. So I'll be doing the same kind of thing, making reusable content. And I'll just put a little note here. Oh, okay, I got a meeting. All hands. So I'm gonna go. If y'all enjoyed this stream and you haven't liked, I don't know, you should go and like it. That helps a lot. You can subscribe too, but honestly, likes count more than subscriptions. I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, I'm gonna go for my all hands, and then I might return later today. We'll see. Looks like I have meetings until 3. Then I have lunch, and I'm not gonna do anything during lunch. 2:30. Oh, never mind. Yeah, I'm off. Well, not off. I have my last meeting at like 2:30, so I might be able to come back and work on this live. We'll see. But yeah, I'm out. Y'all have a good rest of the day. Peace.